So hello friends, welcome to my channel Parena. In previous video we learned about the arithmetic operators in Python, and this video we will learn about a list working from with a list in Python. So I will create one more file. I will name it tuteng 3.py. Okay, enter. I will close this one tuteng.2.py. Now I will make one variable name to our list to be named with a variable, which will what will the name? I will name it with friends. Okay, friends is equals to. So how Python will know that we are going to input some list in the database? So to input list in Python, we will give big bracket. As we give big bracket in Python coding, Python knows that we are going to input any type of list. So we will put some name over there. First name I will give it George. Second name it will be sorry, uh, George, Michael, and next one Andrew, and the last one is Johnson. Okay, there are four names here over here in list. Now what are the things we can do with lists in Python? The first thing is how to print list in Python. Print, open a small and close, sorry, open and close brackets over here, and now we will type friends. Okay, now we will print it. Run Python in terminal. That's working over that. Okay, we got the output. George, Michael, Andrew, and Johnson. We got the names over here. Font should be more larger. Okay, it's working. Now, if we want to make title over here of some particular, no, we want to print some particular name over here, then how we can print it? Open and close bracket. No, not bracket. Open and close big brackets. And now, in Python, we know that there is 0 for this one George. The numbering starts from initial position is 0. So George is 0, Michael is 1, and Andrew is second, and Johnson is third. So the initial position is 0. The first one is 0, not from 1. Okay, you got it. So now we'll put it over here 1, friends 1. Now we'll run it. So we got the output print friends 1 Michael. So the Michael has got the first position, so it printed Michael. Now if we want to make Michael as a title, so how we can do it? Michael and title, make two rhyming words. Dot title, open and close bracket, it will print it as a title, means Michael's M will be Michael name, M will be in capital. So we got to know how to print in list from particular item also and the whole list also. So I will comment it out here for printing in a list. Now what will be the our next topic over here? Let's comment it out. Next line. Now we will know how to modify the elements in list. How to modify the elements in list? We can do it over here. Right, friends? Put in the small big brackets. If you want to insert anything on first position in list, so how you can put it? Write 1 over here is equals to which name you want to give. Maybe Flintoff. Okay, so I gave it over here. Run by next line would be print now friends. Print double quotes. No, not double quotes, only friends. Okay, run Python file in terminal. So now we get the modified list over here. George, but the Michael got replaced with Flintoff. So this type of command useful for modifying any element in a list. Now we will comment it off, and the next topic is how to append, how to add some name on in a list. How to add a name in a list? First we have to do some comments over here. Modifying the elements in a list, modifying the elements in a list. Okay, next line, how to append items, add items in a list. So now we will do the friends dot append. To add anything in a list we have to write append open and some small and close open and close brackets, small brackets. Now what we will do, which name we want to append? We want to append Flintoff only. Flintoff is not over there, so Flintoff we will do it. So run Python file in terminal. Friends, you got it over here. George, Michael, Andrew, Johnson, and Flintoff, one more name got added in the list. So by this way we can add a name in a list but not in a desired position. For a desired position we have to do another command. In this append command we can only add the name or something in a list by only in the last position only, not in the middle position. So we are going to write it over here. Append adds item in the last position. Got it over here? Okay. Now in next line, I will show you how to add some item in a list in any of the desired position. 1, 2, 3, 4, any of the desired position. So the next command would be friends.insert. 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 Open small open and close brackets. Now we will write over in which position we want it. In which position we want it. No, we want it in zeroth position or one position or two position or three position. I want it in second position. So I will write it over here two. Now comma, which name you want? I want Flintoff only. Flintoff is the correct name. Flintoff. So now we will run it. Flintoff, run it. George, Michael, Flintoff, Andrew, Johnson. Append commands work only on the last position, and insert commands work inserts the name anywhere you want, anywhere in the list. I want it in second position, so make the output according to the second position. Okay. So what will the comment over here? Insert allows you to input the name in desired position. Okay, got it over there. Comment it out. Now next line. In next line we will learn about how to pop the element. No, yeah, how to pop the elements. So for popping the element we can do it over here only, not in different line. Okay, I will comment this one out and I will write it over here. Print open small and close, small open and close brackets. Now what we will do, we will make it friends.pop. The same type we when we write in title and uppercase pop. Now this will pop the last position of the list. Last position is what, and last name is what, Johnson. So Johnson got popped out. But if you want a desired one, we can write anything over here. 1 0 1 2 3. If we will write true 2, then it will pop out Andrew. Okay, you got it over here. So we will comment it out over here and write some different comments about it. Control, and control has, sorry, uh, it pops the element out. It pops the element out from the list. So in next line, first we have to remove it from comments. In next line we will show how to delete some item. To delete some item we will write it over here. Delete friends. Open no big brackets. Now big brackets in list which item you want to delete. So we have Michael or no, we will delete 0, and which name is that, George. We will delete George from the list. So press it 0, run Python file in terminal. Now George is being deleted from here and it's only showing Michael, Andrew and Johnson in the list. Okay, you got it over here. How to delete items, how to delete items in a list, in a list. So what will be the next option in our video? It's remove. How to remove certain items in a list. To remove certain items in a list we can write it over here. Prints dot remove And which name we want to delete from list? The name we want to delete from list is Michael. Okay, and this is okay. Run Python file in terminal. Michael has been deleted and removed, not deleted, it has been removed from the list. But if I will write one more time Michael in a list, see it over here, Michael. Michael is in one position also, first position also, and Michael is also in fourth position. So, will remove be able to delete the Michael in both positions? No. Remove function works only once in a list. So, if we will copy this one more time and we will run it twice over here, then Michael has gone been deleted both the times from first position also and from fourth position also. So, what we know from this command, that remove command works once only. Then we will copy it over here, copy and paste. Okay, okay. So what will be our next command? Next command will be how to sort out the programs over in Python list. To sort out the programs in Python list, we will write it over here. Friends dot sort. Sort means alphabetically sorting the items. If something is written by A, then it will come first, then B, then C. Alphabetically sorting the list. So we are seeing over here Andrew A, George G, Johnson J, then Michael. So it's written Michael, so it's showing twice. So we got to know that it sort command helps us. Some command sorts the list alphabetically. Alphabetically. Okay. What will be our next command? Next is reverse. What does the reverse does? We will see it over here. We will do it friends dot reverse. Oh, sorry, reverse. And now we'll run it. Run Python file in terminal. We will see it over here. See here. George is in zero position, Michael is in first position, Andrew is in second position, and Johnson is in third position. But here it is the reversed list. Johnson is in zero position, Andrew is in first position, Michael is in second position, George is in third position. So the whole list got reversed when we write it friends dot reverse. This command is used to reverse the items in the list. Okay, so we will write it over here. It reverses the whole. It reverses the whole list. Reverses the whole list. Okay. Now the last but not the least, you know that in a list we can modify something else. No, not a modify. We will know how to know the length of a list. How we can get the knowledge that how many items are there in the list. So for that one, we have to write it over here only. Len open small open and close brackets, and here you can put it this like this, and this known when we will run this one in Python file. So we got to know that there are four items in list, one, two, three, four. If you will write 10 items, means if you are having something bigger one like 1000 items in a list, then how you can know that how many items are there in a list. So this will be helpful. This command would be helpful for you. Length friends, print length friends, then it will print the number of items which are presenting in your list. So we'll write it over here in comment section that it helps out. It works with length of the list. Works with length of the list. Length of the list. Okay, got it over here. So friends, these are the various functions in a list. You can try it in your home, and this coding will be given in the description box. You can get it over here. And to learn more about the Python, be in my channel, access my playlist. Okay, thank you.